Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really cutting through the noise. We're looking at something that I think genuinely shifts how businesses understand their spaces, their customers. It's the SmartMetrics SmartCounter. You know that challenge, right? How do you really measure what's working in a physical space? How people engage?
Yeah.
And do it without, well, costly or invasive solutions. That's what we're digging into today, how this device answers that.
Yeah, and what's really groundbreaking here isn't just that this little smart counter tracks foot traffic and engagement. It's more how it does it. This thing isn't a camera, not at all. It achieves 100% anonymous detection.
Okay.
Which means, complete privacy, full GDPR compliance, so businesses get these powerful real-time insights without ever identifying a single person. That's a huge leap.
That really is the game changer, isn't it? Anonymous but precise data. Because, privacy is just non-negotiable these days. So help us picture this. For someone listening, how does this small device actually gather all that intelligence? What's the tech doing?
Well, it's surprisingly simple to deploy, actually. But yeah, sophisticated in how it operates. You basically mount it on a ceiling, maybe a wall, and it uses this kind of advanced radar-like sensing. Covers a pretty generous 300 square feet with a wide 120-degree angle.
Okay, radar-like, not images.
Exactly, no images. It senses motion and presence, and that lets it measure nuanced stuff like presence counts, how many people are generally in an area, and dwell time, which is super important. That's literally how long someone, lingers in a spot, tracked hourly, daily.
Hourly and daily, wow.
Yeah, and it also tracks the in and out flow, depending on what you need. If you want general presence and dwell, that's like our A+ configuration. If you need precise counts at, say, an entrance, you'd use the B+ setup.
Got it. Different setups for different goals.
Right. And all this data, this rich, anonymous data, it flows straight to the SmartMetrics Analytics dashboard. Plus, it's got open APIs, too, for easy integration if you've got other tools.
So we're moving way beyond just counting heads walking past. It's about understanding the actual behavior. It really does sound like it tackles those business blind spots. What are some of the biggest impacts you're seeing? How are businesses, maybe marketing teams, really using this data beyond just the basic footfall?
Oh, absolutely. Think about retail. Or even like a public display, an exhibit. Businesses can finally optimize store layouts based on actual traffic patterns, not just guesswork. Imagine finding out, a specific display gets lots of people stopping high presence, but they don't stick around low dwell time.
Right. They stop but don't engage.
Exactly. So you can instantly A/B test a new sign or a different layout right there. And for marketing teams, it's revolutionary. You can finally put a number on the engagement of every single sign. Is that new poster actually grabbing attention and holding it? Or are people just breezing past? Now you get hard data. No more guessing.
That level of precision sounds, invaluable.
Yeah.
But what if you're not just one shop? What if you've got dozens, maybe hundreds or thousands of locations? How does this scale? And what's installation like then?
Yeah, good question. That's really where the design shines. It's built for massive scale, supports thousands of locations, and affordably too. And installation, it's genuinely plug and play. You just connect a power cable. That's it.
Just power, no data cables.
Nope, no data cables needed. It links up to the dashboard wirelessly. And it's tiny, like 83 by 27 millimeters, so you can mount it easily, screws, even double-sided tape. Makes it portable, easy to move if you need to rearrange things.
Okay, so easy install, scales massively.
Yeah.
But once all that data is pouring in, maybe from thousands of spots, how do you make sure it's not just noise? How does some metrics turn it into something actionable?
Right, you don't want data overload. That's the whole point of the integrated SmartMetrics Analytics dashboard. It's not just a bucket for numbers. It gives you real-time, AI-driven insights. So you're not just looking at raw counts, you're seeing intelligent analysis. That lets you measure ROI on your physical campaigns almost instantly. Track how well content is doing location by location. It just helps you make dramatically better decisions backed by solid data. It shifts you from sort of guessing after the fact to actually optimizing proactively.
Okay, so let's wrap up this deep dive for you. The SmartMetrics SmartCounter, it's this compact, camera-free device, but it delivers really big data power. You're getting accurate audience measurement, totally anonymous, so complete privacy for your customers, and these real-time insights to really unlock the potential of your physical spaces, your signage. It's all about moving past those assumptions, right? Getting to a point where decisions about your physical environment are driven by genuine, actionable data. So if you're ready to explore how this could work for your business, maybe say goodbye to the guessing games, you can learn more about the SmartMetrics SmartCounter. Or you can request a demo. Just head over to SmartMetrics.com.